So our question is, prove fx equals to x cubed is uniformly continuous in the interval 0, 2. So firstly, we have to state that f function is uniformly continuous on the interval 0, 2 if for all epsilon is greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that for all xy in the interval 0, 2 is the absolute value of x minus y is less than delta, implies to fx minus f of y, absolute value of fx minus f of y is less than epsilon. Alright? So, next, we have to scratch. For epsilon is greater than 0, we need some delta, which is x minus y less than delta, implies to the absolute value of fx minus fy less than epsilon. So, for this function, we have the absolute value of x cubed minus y cubed. So we derive this one. We have absolute x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. So next, we have to spread this one to the absolute of x minus y times the absolute value of x squared plus xy plus y squared. So we know this one is less than delta. And this one, we know that x in the interval of 0, 2, we have x less than 2. We also have y also less than 2. And we know x squared less than 4. And xy less than 2 times 2 is 4. So we also know that y squared is also less than 4. So here we substitute the formula less than delta. X squared we have 4 plus xy also less than 4 plus y squared also less than 4. So here we have delta times 12 is less than epsilon. So we have delta less than epsilon over 12. So we have the value of delta here. So next, after we have the value of delta here, we have to prove for delta greater than 0, we choose delta equals to epsilon over 12. Then we have for all x, y in the interval of 0, 2 with the absolute of x minus y less than delta, we have absolute of fx minus fy is, I read it here, absolute of x cubed minus y cubed. Okay, so we derive this one into x minus y times x squared plus y squared plus xy. So we spread it, x minus y absolute x squared plus y squared plus xy. Then we have this one, x minus y. X minus y, we have it is less than 12 delta, which is this one is 12. This one is absolute of 4 plus 4 plus 4, and this one is less than delta. So we have here less than 12 delta, which is epsilon over 12 times 12. This is the value of the delta and this is the 12. So we cancel, we have epsilon. So it's proven that fs equals to x cubed is uniformly continuous in the interval 0, 2. This is the whole solution. Thank you.